first thing I did was I boiled some water and I put in a half cup of elbow macaroni, but you could use whatever kind of pasta you want. And then I also added some oil and some salt, so that way the pasta won't stick to each other, and also the salt just makes the pasta it just adds like salt to the pasta without making the pasta grainy. And then I set a timer for 7 minutes and cooked the pasta till it was al dente. Now to make the cheese sauce, I used evaporated milk, smoked Gouda cheese, and butter. So the one thing I wanted to mention about the type of milk that you use for the sauce, it has to be evaporated milk, because in my experience, here, let me tell you why. So evaporated milk has like a lot of fat in it, and that fat is like able to break down like the proteins and enzymes like in the cheese, and like you need like as much fat in your liquid as possible, which is why I use evaporated milk, which is basically like a very creamy milk. So that is how you avoid getting like weird, like lumpy, like cheese lumps in your mac and cheese, which does not sound good at all. And let's say if you use like skim milk or something like this, like skim milk is fat-free milk. Do not use that because it has no fat, so it can't break down the enzymes in the cheese. I don't know the exact chemistry behind it, but like I know that like you need to have fat in your milk in order to make this cream not be disgusting. So yeah, do not use skim milk. Use evaporated milk, or if you don't have that, use full fat milk, or like anything else that's like full fat cream, use that. And then to make the cheese sauce, I just put in a tablespoon of butter and I let that melt. And then I added half a cup of evaporated milk, and then I mixed that together, and then I kind of just let the mixture heat up a little bit for about a minute on medium heat. And then I just added in the shredded cheese and just whisked it together. Also be sure to not cook this on a high heat because it might burn and it might end up becoming grainy, so make sure you cook it at like a medium heat. And then I also added in some liquid smoke, just a couple of drops, because it really adds this delicious smoky flavor to the mac and cheese. And then yeah, just whisked it all together. Okay, I'm gonna do a taste test because this actually smells really good, and I haven't had this. I haven't had this stuff in a minute, so like I'm gonna try some because it smells incredible. Okay. Okay. Oh my god! Look how good that looks. It smells like the mac and cheese you get from Panera Bread, which if you haven't had it, it's oh, oh. Oh my god. It's so good. So good. I mean, it's literally mac and cheese made with smoked Gouda. Like, the cheese melts perfectly because I use that condensed milk. Oh my gosh. It's amazing. It's amazing. 10 out of 10 recommend. Even better than like regular mac and cheese, I'd say. This is better.